Hello lovelies! Happy Vlogmas day 4. We are doing day 4 of the daily December giveaways. Keep watching to find out how to enter. I am a passenger princess today. Me and Brandon are on a little date. Me and Brandon just got to a Hong Kong cafe. For those of you who don't know, Brandon is Cantonese. He's from Hong Kong, so he got me into the whole Hong Kong cafe culture. It doesn't look the fanciest, but I promise the food is amazing. So you can get set meals at Hong Kong cafes, and they always come with a soup. You can either choose the Russian borscht or cream soup. So I always get the Russian borscht, and then I got set C. The food is so affordable at Hong Kong cafes. My meal is only $10.50. Like, that is crazy. Brandon got Ovaltine for his drink, which is basically a hot chocolate. Looks like this. I got a coffee milk tea, and look at these little cups. Look how cute they are. They're actually used in Hong Kong cafes in Hong Kong. Like, every Hong Kong cafe will have this cup. I got the coffee milk tea. In Cantonese, the direct translation in English is hot yin yang. The reason being is because it's coffee mixed with milk tea, so like black and white, which is so cute. Ooh, the food is here. Brandon got a fried rice. I got ham and macaroni soup. And then we have some bread, eggs, and bacon. I know macaroni and ham and soup looks really weird. When I first saw it, I thought it was the weirdest thing. All my friends think it's so weird, but it is actually the most comforting thing, and it's really light and it's healthy. It's perfect for lunch. So this is now my go-to. Oh, I haven't had this in so long, so it's really, really good. Look at how big this shrimp is. This one comes with shrimp and barbecue pork. Made it to Whole Foods. I'm gonna make Christmas cookies today, and I need to get all of the ingredients. I ran out of brown sugar, so I'm looking for that. Brandon's saying I picked a way too hard recipe because I'm trying to make Christmas cookies, and there's a strawberry one that needs strawberry resin and strawberry powder. I don't even know where to find that. Okay, finally home. That was a journey. I don't know why getting all the ingredients for these cookies took so long, but at least it's not dark outside yet. It is 4:26 and the recipe is gonna take about 2 hours. So let's make these cookies. Update as well, I did change the type of cookies that I was going to originally make. The ones I was gonna make before just were way too complicated. So now we're gonna do icing sugar cookies, and we're gonna decorate them with super fun coloring, and it's gonna be super cute. I love baking. It literally de-stresses me. Hopefully these actually turn out cute though. Now cue the time lapse. The dough is done. Look at this. Looks so good. Just took me an hour to make that, but so proud of myself for making this dough. It looks so good. Okay, here is what we're working with. Look at how cute these cookies came out. Oh my goodness. I was honestly not expecting them to be this cute, but we succeeded. And then I made all the food coloring. So we got red, green, and light blue for the snowflakes. I have my little makeshift piping bag, and we're gonna start with the snowflake. Gonna try my best. It's working! Wait, oh my gosh, it's working! Normally, things I plan out in my head do not actually work. So I'm really surprised that this is working. Apparently you're supposed to outline first and then fill it in. Gosh, I almost dropped. That is actually so cute. How do I make it like more smooth though? I think we're just gonna have to go with this rough looking icing. Not really sure how to make that look super smooth. This is also frosting. It's not icing, so maybe that's why it's not as like liquidy. This is seriously so therapeutic. If you are stressed or just having a bad day, baking is the best way to take your mind off things. For me, I am the biggest homebody, and I do like going out every now and then. Like yesterday was so fun, and I love going to events, but I will always love my time home alone. Doing things like this, like baking and decorating these little cookies. It actually just gives me so much joy and peace, especially with the holidays, since there's so many events and parties and like everyone's like trying to go out and make plans. It can honestly get a little bit stressful just because it's a lot. Making sure that you give yourself some me time, practice self-care. That is very, very important. I feel like I am healing while doing this. We finished all the snowflakes and now I'm gonna move on to the Christmas trees. I just realized that this is also my first Christmas in my own place, which is kind of insane to think about. It's been so fun because I've finally been able to decorate my home the way I want to with all of the Christmas decor. I get to style the tree the way I want, and I feel like that's why I'm feeling a little bit more into the whole holiday spirit, just because I get to do all of these fun little festivities. Of course, spending December and the holidays living with my parents is super fun, but there's definitely something special about just having your own home, decorating it exactly the way you want it to be. It's about finding happiness in the little things. Here's the first tree. What do we think? I'm gonna put little ornaments on them, like little dots on them as well. Oh, we do have to come up with the phrase for the giveaway rules. Since we're making cookies, let's do comment your favorite cookie. Okay, the tree is definitely the hardest to do. We are finally done. Oh my gosh. This was so hard to do, and I completely messed up the gingerbread men. They look so bad. The trees look pretty good. I feel like I did all right with those. The snowflakes, oh, okay. So I thought this was really bad, but on camera, it actually looks decent. I messed up on this one, so I'm gonna try and eat this one. I pretty much gave up on this design and just started to fill it in with white. But now that I'm looking at it from afar, I think this one actually looks the best. Let's try the ugliest one and see how it tastes. Mmm! Wait. It's actually really good. It tastes store-bought. Wow. I'm impressed with myself. Hands down the best sugar cookie. Not to toot my own horn. Even this icing, it's not too sweet. If you don't have time to make icing, go with Betty Crocker. So good. I actually ended up only making a third of the dough, and then I'm gonna save the rest because I'm hosting a Christmas dinner on Sunday. And so I think if I bake these cookies and decorate them, I think it'll be super cute to have and to serve them. So this was a really good test run. Okay guys, before we wrap up the video, I have to show you obviously the giveaway box for today. Here it is, so many goodies. Okay, so we have some Milk Makeup, their Hydro Grip Primer. This is amazing. We have the Pure Cloud Cream, Totally Gel Moisturizer, Evio Skin Oil Serum, Stila Liquid Highlighter, Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser, Yuzu Lip Oil, one of my all-time favorites, and this one, the packaging is so, so cute. Then we have some OPI press-on nails, Impress Cluster Lashes, and then lastly, we have the Pure Silky Tint. This is a blush stick, but you can also use it for your lips as well. It's a multitasking product. So by now, you know the drill. The giveaway rules are subscribe, like this video, comment your Instagram handle and the phrase that I said previously in this video, and then just follow me on Instagram. I am gonna go package this up, and the winner will be announced 24 hours after I post this video in the pinned comment below and on my IG story, and you can also check out my giveaway highlight in case you miss it. So that is a wrap for Vlogmas Day 4, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!